Hey everybody, Adam here, doing a little lesson on self-awareness and safety. And here today, our favorite bird brain friend Petri is here to help us out. Did you say bird brain? I did say bird brain. Oh yeah, you got a bald head. I don't even know if you have much brains up there. I don't know if I do either, but we're gonna try today and use what brains we have. We'll put our heads together. Oh! And we'll try to come up with something for the kids that they'll like. All right, let's go. What do you got? Well, starting with self-awareness. Ooh, I know what that is. Oh, you do? Good. Self-awareness really is the ability to understand what you're thinking and feeling and then know how your body is going to respond to it. Okay. And then safety. Oh, I know what that means. It's where you're protected. Yeah, it is where you're protected. That's something pretty good. And so kids need to know that. What to be aware of, and then how to protect themselves for safety. Okay. So we're going to play a little game. Okay, games are great. Let's go, let's play. Okay, we're going to play a game. I'm going to name an animal, and then I want you to talk about how they would be protected. Okay, ready, go. A prairie dog. Oh, it would run into its little burrow. Good job. It would hide. How about a bird? Oh, it could hide in its nest. Excellent. What would happen if there was another bird coming after that bird? Well, then don't go to that nest because they can fly too, just like me. Yeah, you can do that. You would, yeah, okay. How about a giraffe? Watch out for the neck. It's really big. True. I think if I was a giraffe, well, again, I'm not a giraffe. Or you have a really long neck, though. Oh, my. Let me try a different animal. How about if you are a zebra? Oh, you run. You run like crazy. Run. Run from those lions. Run from those cheetahs. Run from all of them. You are really smart at this. You really know how to protect yourself. How about if you were a human? I'm not a human. I know. I'm not sure how to protect a human. How do you protect a human? Well, what I wanted to share with the kids is it's good to have an ability to recognize, oh, that's a real thing I need to be afraid of. And then where's my safe spot? Or where's my safe person that I can go to for help? Oh, all right. Well, thanks for bringing that up. Tell me more about humans. Humans. Humans are complex. We have a lot of different emotions, and sometimes it's tough to understand what we're thinking and feeling. That's why we're talking about this right here. Oh, okay. All right. Well, where's your safe place? My safe place is actually my room in my house. I got a comfy bed in there and a comfy chair, and I go there to help me think, and it's my safe place. Okay. All right. Well, where's your safe place, kids? I think I'll ask them. Where's your safe place? Thanks.